Okay, so can you tell us what brought you into Integrative Pain and Wellness Center?
Well, I found Dr. Barker when Dr. Coates, I seen Dr. Coates for my TMJ, and she suggested that I would see Dr. Barker to help with to relax my muscles in my tongue, in my neck, shoulders. Which I didn't know after I seen him. Not only has he really helped relax my muscles in my tongue and because I have a tongue tie, and he assisted with Dr. Coates in releasing my tongue tie. It helped, he released, which I never would have thought, but he released this in my ear and my neck, my shoulder. So really when I came to see Dr. Barker, it started I thought something very simple with helping with my tongue tie and releasing my muscles in my jaw. And here now I'm finding out that he can actually release the muscles that were from my ear, which your ear is actually attached to your jaw, and your tongue, which is actually just to my neck and my shoulder. Well, I think that all actually releases all the way down to your toes. Could be wrong, but I don't know, I feel really good. He's totally helped with getting my ribs back into place. It's just amazing on how he can release. I don't know how he does it, but I have to see him every week because I had my tongue tie surgery, I think 3 weeks ago, and as many exercises as I can do that they've given me, he is so much better on getting in there and actually releasing on the outside, on the inside, and then my shoulders. I never even knew it was all adjusted. If I have a ringing in my ear, who would have thought it's TMJ and something's out of line and I'm having a tight muscle? But Dr. Barker has released all of that, and I'm just going to continue to go with him to keep everything all loose and maintained, because this is the best I've ever have felt.
That's awesome. What kind of relief did you get right after your tongue was released? What did that feel like?
Wow. Well, I say that I kind of felt like I was a fish that was like snagged, or I was a person that was on a hook. And when that got released, it literally released. I could feel my whole shoulder and my neck get released. And then when I seen Dr. Barker, he actually released it more, because I think as it healed, it tightened back up a little bit of that fascia, I think is what it is. But he released it more to where it really has released my tongue mobility that is tight. So the tongue tie released all this that was tight, and a little bit of this side, which I didn't even know. Growing up with tongue tie, I never even knew that I was in this much pain. Now that I am out of pain, I'm so surprised that a person can be this happy in life, because I have been happy ever since that surgery, and staying in release I know is going to be very, very important for the rest of my life, and I'm just going to maintain and continue to do whatever he tells me to do.
So how long have you been in pain?
Well, I'm 57. I've had TMJ since I was in my 20s, so let's say it's 30, 40 years now. I have been in pain. I didn't know I was in pain because I didn't know any better. I have a fused spine, so a lot of times they would say, oh, it's just your spine, you're having problems with your back. Well, it wasn't. It was a tongue tie and these tight muscles. And I never would have known that the tongue tie actually even gives you the headaches and gives you the clogged ears, or gives you I didn't know I was eating and swallowing food wrong. And here, having tongue tie, I've learned how to do everything so different. I'm trying to learn how to talk even different, because my tongue is actually there. And then I love seeing Dr. Barker, because when I come in, he releases even more. And then I get this, you can breathe better. It's just pretty amazing.
Well, we're so glad you're feeling better. Thank you.
Thank you.